Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to save changes in Google Docs or how you can save Google Docs. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my desktop. So let's open. So this is my Google Docs file and this is my Google Drive. Okay, first open the Google Drive. I just show you. Log in with your Gmail ID. Okay, and click on this dot option and go to the drive. Then this drive will be open. Okay, with the same email id you have to open the drive. Then just open the word file. If I take any word file from here, I can take the you can take the new word file or open the existing word file from here. Okay, so I just take the word file and now I have just write something. But if I want to change something, or if I want to overwrite, or if I want to add something like thanks to watching my video. Okay, so whenever I type here, you can see in this place there's all changes automatically saving. Okay, so your whatever you write on docs or Google Docs, it will be save automatically. You don't need to save differently. Okay, so whenever you write, when you done your job, just go to the Google Drive. You can close this file and go to the Google Drive and just refresh it, and you can open your file from here and you will find all changes. Okay, which is saved automatically on Google Docs. Okay, so you can see all changes will be come here. You can search file from here, if you, or you can go to recent and you can see your recent open file. Okay, so if you want to save this file to your computer, just go to the file, go to the download, and you can download this as a word file, or you can also download with the other format like PDF, normal txt file, and zip. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.